Hello guys, today I am talking about sound, pitch, and volume. Okay, see this card right here? Wait, why is it playing the piano? No, I'm talking about the piano. So piano is a musical instrument. And do you know what does the notes actually do? These notes are different because the number of notes represents pitch. What is pitch? Pitch depends on the speed of vibration. If a pitch vibrates quickly, it makes a higher pitch, and if a pitch vibrates slowly, it makes a lower pitch. Let's move on to the show. Don't you all want it? Now we know about pitch. Wait, what about volume? Volume refers on loud or soft the vibration is. And it's about strength. Now think what happens if you punch the wall or other items. The sound will be loud because you do it hardly. What if you do it gently? The sound will be not loud. Why though? It's because the strength is less, so that's why. The same as doing it hardly, because the strength is more. That's all what I can say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mikaela out.